Hey everybody, just stopping by to do a weekly update. Yeah, I've got a little thing going on with my face today. Me and Raymond went hunting this weekend and he shot a buck, but when we went to look for it, I found the tree limb and it didn't feel so great, but it's healing. But this week I went and we got a thrift store that does dollar sales for the clothing every Monday. So Monday I went and did some thrift store shopping. I found this shirt. Love it. But you can get some really good deals. Later on I'll take you in there and do some videos on thrift store shopping for cruises. But it's most stuff still has tags on it and everything. You just gotta look around, and we've got some really nice ones. They put really nice things out. It's raining outside. What can you do? You gotta have the rain to enjoy the sun. But just been doing school meetings today and fixing to pick up Caleb. It's about time for him to get out of school. I'm just trying. Me and Raymond went to the Dirt Cheap this weekend, and they had their swimsuits on sale, and I got 3 tops and 3 bottoms and paid $3. So I'm excited about that find too. And they're brand new. They just come out of stores. So there's been a lot of good deals. We've been trying to get together for the cruise and everything. I don't want to do too much cruise shopping because we are going to be moving soon, and I don't want everything to get lost in a move. And it'd just be easier to shop after everything's said and done. But not a lot going on. Just want to check in with y'all today. I hope y'all are having a good week. If we're not having a good week this week, let's make tomorrow a better day. Bye, guys.